I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful personalized tote bag with a picture. So the first thing we need is the artwork. You can do it yourself and save a lot of money, or you can pay an artist to do it for you if you're not feeling very artistic. So let's get the expensive option out of the way. Now, shameless plug, this is from my Etsy shop, so if you are interested, there's a link in the description. Anyway, there are many affordable artists on Fiverr and Etsy, so if you don't feel like doing it yourself, there's a tons of options. Just make sure they send you the transparent PNG file. It will make things easier. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you want to do it yourself and save some money, so let's get to it. The first step is to choose the photo that you want to use. The second thing you will do is to remove the background. iPhones and Mac computers have a built-in function that lets you do this very easily. This is how you do it on the iPhone. Open the Photo app, place your finger for a few seconds, and then the app will lift the main figure from the photo and create a new photo with a transparent background. Then save it to your phone or airdrop it to your computer. With Mac, do Ctrl-click, a menu will open, go to Quick Actions, select Remove Background, and voila, in a few seconds you will have a new file with a transparent background. If you're not an Apple user, you can go to Photoroom. I like it because it's very simple and you don't have to create an account to use it. Just drop the file and then just download it to your computer and that's it. Now that you have the photo, let's move on and create the artwork. We're going to use Canva for this project. Create an account if you don't have one. Then go to the right up corner and click on Create a Design. A menu will open. Go down and click on Custom Size. Then change the measurements to inches and enter 9x9. That's the file size for this specific tote bag. A blank page will open. Now drag and drop your transparent file to the middle of the page. It will upload to Canva automatically. Okay, now the fun begins. You can do anything you want. I will show you what I did in case you want to do the same thing. The first thing I did was to apply a subtle filter to the photo. There are many options. I chose the Whimsy because I like the washed out colors. You can pick the filter that you want. Now, this is a free version of Canva, so you will have a limited amount of clip arts to use. I use pressed flowers and mushrooms, but also I added my own flowers. I will share the clip arts with you if you want to use them. These are PNG files with transparent backgrounds that you can download if you go to the link in the description. Click on Elements and narrow the search to Flowers. And if you want, you can also do Pressed Flowers. Okay, let's start placing the clip arts. They will land on top of the photo, but you can rearrange the layers by going to Position, then Layers. You will see all the layers and you can move them around by grabbing them on the dotted area. You get the idea. Now you can play around with all the clip arts and try anything you like. I will go ahead and speed up the process. I decided to first place the clip arts and then rearrange the layers. It's easier this way. Now you can either add some text or you can add some more flowers. I will crop the photo a little bit here and add some flowers below. So you can leave it like this, or you can add a name like in the sample that I showed you before. I will show you how to add the text style that I use. It's like a retro style. Go to the left and click on text and then add a text box. Now go to the text font and change it to Nectarine. That's the font that I use. But of course you can pick any other free font available. I already had it on Nectarine, so I will size up the font. Then write down the name that you want and place it wherever makes sense to you. I actually will size up the text again to make it fit a little bit better. Now what I did was to copy and paste the name 3 times. One in black, one in white, and the third one I changed every single letter to a different color. Arrange the layers to make sure the color one sits on top. You have to paint every single letter. Click on Color and Canva will show you something really cool. Here you can see the palette of the elements that you already have on your design, so you can choose the colors from there. I will use the same font for the end symbol, but I will change it for the second name to make it a little bit more dynamic. And here we go. We are done with the artwork. Now we download the file. Canva offers to remove the background, but you would have to go pro and pay. The good news is that you don't have to for two reasons. You can do it the same way we removed the background earlier in the video, but that step is not even necessary in this case. Printful, the website that we're going to use to print the tote bag, will do it for you. Follow the steps to download the file. JPEG will be good enough, but PNG will also work. Now, when it comes to the printing of the tote bag, you can go full DIY and do the whole process yourself. You will have to buy blank tote bags, heat transfer paper, and you will need a good printer. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube on how to do this, so I won't be covering it. And I have to say, it will take a lot of effort, time, and also money. You won't be saving as much money as you may think, and the results, honestly, are not the same. So I will show you one of my favorite platforms for print on demand. It's not sponsored, I just really like this bag. So go to printful.com, open an account, then search for tote bag and pick this one, Eco Tote Bag. Create a basic order. Change the color, then drag and drop the file to this circle. It will show the white square. No worries, go to remove background and voila, there it is. Now press continue and check out like you would in any other e-shop online. At the time of this video, it cost around $15 plus shipping, that's around $5. So for $20, you get this really cool high quality bag with a personalized artwork printed on it. It will make a really cool gift. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.